Just combine mothballs with lime and you'll thank me for this. Stop wasting your money. So guys, to start, you're gonna need 2 limes, okay? Go ahead and put them in the blender. And then we're gonna add 2 cups of water. Just regular room temperature water, alright? And now let's blend everything very well. Okay, now let's get a big container. It can be a basin or something like that. Now let's go ahead and strain all this liquid so we can use just the lime juice, okay? Alright, now this is what we're gonna do. Take 3 mothballs, put them on a paper towel or a cloth if you prefer, then fold it like that. And with the help of some object, we're gonna beat it until we crush all the mothballs, until we get a fine powder. Okay, I already did it here, so let's go ahead and add this powder in. Give it a good mix. Having dissolved all the mothballs, let's now add baking soda. And for this recipe, we're gonna need a spoonful of it. Let me put it here. Now mix again very well. Okay folks, now we're gonna need dish soap. I'm using this lime scented one, but feel free to pick whatever you prefer. And here let's add 3 tablespoons of dish soap, alright? 1, 2, and 3. Let's mix again very well, folks. And to finish, go ahead and add 4 cups of water. And again, just regular room temperature water, nothing special. Mix one more time very well. Now let's transfer all this liquid into a 2-liter plastic bottle. Make sure to make a small hole right here in the bottle cap. This will make the application a lot easier for you later. Okay, so now what do we have here, folks? This is an excellent homemade disinfectant. That's right, folks, you can use it especially to clean the floor in your house. Because here we have lime and baking soda, which are both great for cleaning. Also, the detergent's gonna help to make suds, and the mothballs will help to keep insects like mosquitoes and especially cockroaches at bay. That's right, folks, because sometimes you get disinfected from the market and still you keep getting unwanted visits. So this 100% homemade product will be the answer to deal with this problem. Since I started applying here in my house, I haven't seen a single cockroach. And I use this to clean every floor in the house, no matter what room. Alright everyone, so make this at your house, cause I'm sure you'll love the result.